Hello children, welcome back. It's nice to see you again. Let's get started right away with our power-up. Spot the mistake. Explain your answer. Pause and think. Okay, were you able to spot the mistake here? Let us see. The 10 frame, as you can see, is showing 4 plus 4 equals 8, right? But the stem sentences are showing 3 plus 5 equals 8. No, they are not matching. And that's the mistake there. Today, children, we are learning to compare additions and subtractions. And at the end of the lesson, you will be able to solve problems related to additions and subtractions. Look at Bob and Nikki. How many fingers are these children holding up? Yes, 18. Now, how many more fingers do we need to make it total 20? Show it with your fingers. Come on. Wow, that was fast. 2 fingers. But how do you know that we need 2 more to make it 20? Smart thinking. We know that 8 plus 2 equals 10. So, we also know that 18 plus 2 equals 20. Now, children, let us represent these numbers using 10 frames and counters. Work along with me, and let's discuss more about this. Let us now fill in our part-whole model using the numbers shown by the 10 frames. Do this on your own part-whole model as well. So, what is our whole number here? Yes, 20. And the parts? Well, as you can see on the 10 frames, our parts are 18 and 2. Now, what do we do next with this part-whole model? Yes, we now write the number sentences. So, based on this part-whole model, what addition sentences do you see? Well done! 18 plus 2 equals 20. And if we know 18 plus 2 equals 20, what else do we know? Very good. 2 plus 18 equals 20. How about some subtraction sentences? Can you spot a subtraction sentence here? Excellent. We can write 20 minus 2 equals 18. And yes, 20 minus 18 equals 2. Now, children, did we use any numbers that are not in the part-whole model? Look at these number sentences. No. We just use the same numbers as shown on the part-whole model, and then we wrote down all these related addition and subtraction sentences. And that is what we call fact family. How do we call this again? Yes, fact family. Let's complete this fact family. What numbers are we going to use in this fact family? Look at the clothespins. What numbers do you see? Yes, we can see 12 and 4, and also 16 as the total or the whole number. Now, let's proceed writing the number sentences. I hope you are working along with me. You can even pause this video to answer. Now, let's begin. Our first number sentence here, or addition sentence here, is 12 plus 4 equals 16. And if we know 12 plus 4 equals 16, then we know 4 plus 12 equals 16. Let's move on to the subtraction sentences. Let's start with the whole number. 16 minus 12 equals 4. And 16 minus 4 equals 12. Were you able to complete this fact family? Very good. Give yourself 3 claps and 2 quiet claps. 1, 2. Look at this illustration, children. The teacher here is asking something. Show me a question with an answer that is greater than 15. Which child is correct? You can pause this video if you need more time. And yes, Jacob is correct. 12 plus 6 is greater than 15. But how do you know? We know that 12 plus 6 equals 18. And 18 is greater than 15. So, 12 plus 6 is greater than 15. Now, children, whose answer is greater? Ben's or Jacob's? Aside from solving the total of each addition sentence, is there another way you could work out which is greater? You remember it right. Since 12 is the common addend, we cross it out and compare the addends that are left. We are left with 3 and 6. So, which is greater now? Well done. Since 6 is greater than 3, therefore Jacob's answer is greater. 12 plus 3 is less than 12 plus 6. What a trick! But remember, children, to use this strategy only when comparing addition sentences. Let's compare some more. Complete the following using less than, greater than, or equal symbol. Pause and answer. Now, let us check. Let's start with letter A. We know that 15 plus 2 equals 17. Therefore, the answer is 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. Now, letter B. Oh, I can see common addends here. Did you also notice that? Let us cross it out. There you go. Since we know that 3 is greater than 1, therefore the answer is 14 plus 1 is less than 14 plus 3. Let's move on to letter C. Now we are comparing subtraction sentences. And remember, children, when comparing subtraction sentences, we first find out the difference and then compare them. We know that 12 minus 8 is 4 and 10 minus 8 is 2. We also know that 4 is greater than 2. So, 12 minus 8 is greater than 10 minus 8. Now we are down to the last one. Again, we are comparing subtraction sentences here. 15 minus 5 equals 10. And 15 minus 3 equals 12. Therefore, 15 minus 5 is less than 15 minus 3. Were you able to get them right? Excellent, kids. Now, children, study this problem and work out the answer. According to Alex, Any number less than 11 would make this correct. 7 plus 11 is less than 7 plus dash. Do you agree with Alex? Explain your answer. Pause and answer. Time to check. Now, do you agree? Well, Alex is incorrect. She needs to use any number greater than 11. Let's answer one more challenge. I can write 2 addition and 2 subtraction calculations for any set of 3 numbers. Is this always, sometimes, or never true? Prove your answer using these sets of numbers. Pause and think. Now, let us check. Children, this is sometimes true. For the first set of numbers, 17, 5, and 12, yes, we can make 2 addition and 2 subtraction sentences. But for the other set, 15, 5, 6, you can't make any addition or any subtraction sentences with these numbers, as they are not related to each other. We are down to your last challenge, your independent task. Answer pages 38, 41, 45, and 48 of your Power Math book 1B. And we are done. So, bye for now, children. See you again next time.